Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. So, you've probably heard that GPT disks are more secure and reliable than MBR disks, and now you're considering converting yours. The good news is that it's actually super easy to do. In this video, I will show you the most effective method for safely converting an MBR to GPT on a Windows computer without losing any data. Let's go. Windows has a built-in disk management tool that can be used to convert a disk to GPT. However, this method requires you to delete all existing partitions on the disk, meaning you'll lose everything. But with a third-party tool, there is no need to risk it. Well, this tool I recommend is primarily a disk partition management tool that offers a variety of features such as extending partitions, recovering data, managing dynamic disks, or migrating the operating system to another drive. Best of all, it can convert your disk from MBR to GPT and vice versa without losing any data. Want to give the software a try now? You can click my link in the description below to directly download the installer and get a special welcome bonus as a first-time user. After installing the software on your computer, select the target disk from the main interface. Choose Convert MBR, Disk to GPT Disk from the panel on the left. Then simply click the Apply button to confirm and start the conversion process. That's it. You have successfully converted your MBR disk into GPT without losing any data. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.